What's up, everybody? Philip Bridges here once again. Today we are talking about the Milwaukee PACKOUT Big Hawg 9-piece set. Now they make a 7, 8, and 9 and 10-piece set, but they only come out they only have came out with the 9-piece in the PACKOUT set. The rest of them just come in a regular case. I'm gonna go over this because this is a really cool whole hog set or big hog set. It retails for $199, and I know before you say, whoa, that's way expensive for a bit set, this is worth every penny of it. I have used this set, not this exact one, not the 9-piece set, but I have the 10-piece set that I use almost on a daily basis for when I'm on the construction site. When we were setting services, we use the 2.5 inch to drill through floor joists and stuff like that, and it works wonders. What do you get in this kit? Well, take out the plastic. We don't need the plastic anymore. All right, so these carbide tips, they're gonna have about 50 times more of a lifespan than any other drill bit set that is on the market. They say that it'll go through about 1,000 nails. I guarantee you that I've gone through probably a couple hundred, and it just goes through them like nothing, just like some framing nails that are in floor joists. They just act like they're not really even there. So what do we get in here? Well, first of all, you are going to get the arbor. You get the arbor. We'll just set this out. And this whole PACKOUT unit is really nice because it comes in a foam case, and each one has its own individual slot. So you'll also get 2 extra bits. You will get, let's start from small to large, shall we? You will get the 2 1/8 bit right there. Also the 2 9/16 bit. And if you look, can you look at the carbide teeth on this? They're freaking huge. Just when you pick up this, if you haven't ever picked up one of these hole saw or these Big Hawg carbide teeth bits, they're heavy. They weigh probably about 2 to 3 times more than a regular hole saw because they're just massive. And these carbide teeth are just insane. We have a 3 inch, got a 3 inch here. Then it will come with a 3 5/16. And then you have your 4 5/8, which is really nice for heating guys for when they are venting out for like a bathroom exhaust fan or anything like that. And you know, even for plumbers, the 3 5/8 is going to be really good for you. And actually all these are going to be really good for you. So highly suggest looking into it. These cut through not just wood, they will do cement board, lath and plaster, stucco. I haven't really done it through stucco, but lath and plaster, these things, these bits just pretty much just go right through. If you ever gone through lath and plaster on just a regular hole saw bit, it'll dull them really quick. You may get a couple uses out of it, and then after that, you might as well just throw it in the garbage because the bit's pretty much useless. What you can do is, which is weird because this is, how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's interesting. We're missing the diamond file. We did not get the diamond file in this. I may have taken it out already. I might have thrown it in our other set. But it comes with a diamond file. If you haven't seen it, it's just like a little rectangle. Maybe throw a picture up right there for it. But it's just a little rectangle file, red rectangle file that you can sharpen the carbide teeth on. That way, if they do start to wear, you can just kind of do a light little filing and then go back to your business. You can use your whole hog. You can use your regular cordless drill. If you're gonna use your cordless drill and use the big bit, only go through probably plywood. I wouldn't really, maybe cement board, but like it'll probably give you a run for your money if you try to do a 4 5/8 hole without like the super hog or some type of bigger drill. But you could try it if you really want to. Just brace yourself because it'll kind of give you a little run for your money. They have nice little cleanouts. These cleanouts are really easy. So when you get your wood stuck in there, once you do your hole, they can easily be popped out. Now, if you never changed out a bit on your arbor, there is a Allen set screw in here that you just basically take. This one is a 1/8 inch Allen hex, and you just loosen that up and the bit will slide right out. You set that bit in there and you just slide your new bit back in. You know, that's only, you know, no one's ever really done that before, but this could be your first bit set. So show you how to do that. All right, let's cut some holes. That pretty much wraps it up for the Milwaukee 9-piece Big Hawg PACKOUT set. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment if you have any comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and do so. I will see you on the next one. I am Philip Bridges, and peace out.